Let's talk about something that people love to misuse online. Marami yan. Nonchalant, princess treatment, avoidant attachment, na para ba silang mga grade schoolers na may bagong word na natutunan and they just keep using it because wala lang, masarap lang sabihin. Nonchalant. So our word for today is standards. So let's define standards. Ano nga ba ang standards? These are your non-negotiables. This is the list that will protect your peace, your values, and maybe even your future. If you don't have this, para ka nag-grocery na wala kang listahan. Kung ano-ano lang yung dinadampot mo. Same with relationships. Kung sino-sino na lang yung pinipili mo kasi nga, wala kang standards. But because nagdo-doom scroll ka sa TikTok, you probably already know about standards. You probably already have your list, you already know what you want, and you already know what you require. So now, you create this long list of standards. Gusto mo someone who is emotionally mature. Gusto mo someone who can communicate properly, someone responsible, someone who respects you, someone who is financially stable. And then there are lifestyle standards too. You want someone na may kotse. There are even people who want someone na 6 digits ang sinusweldo. And there is nothing wrong with them. They are all valid. They are all reasonable. Yes, even the lifestyle standards. But you have to ask yourself, am I the kind of person who can offer the same things I am asking for? Am I upholding the same sets of standards for myself? For example, you want emotional maturity, pero you asked your best friend to message your partner just to test him? You want someone who can communicate properly. Pero ikaw, you can't express yourself without silent treatment muna. Or maybe sarcasm. Or mind games. Or worse, you feel like, I don't have to communicate because kung mahal niya ako, dapat alam na niya. Taga, gusto mo ng someone who's financially stable. Pero ikaw, financially stable ka na ba? Or at least trying to get there or trying to build your finance? And for those who require lifestyle standards, there's nothing wrong with them. There's nothing wrong with wanting to be with someone na may kotse, financially stable, earning 6 digits. Valid lahat yan, especially if we're talking about safe